3, 2, 1, go ahead.
It's the Dama's Adventures. Okay, you start it, please.
Hi, adventurers. Welcome to a home vlog / unboxing. I'm kind of excited about this because I got these at Shop Disney recently. They had a big sale for pass holders and for Disney Chase Visa holders, which we are both. And so I got some stuff because it was Todd's birthday coming up, and he loves the Haunted Mansion.
I think everybody loves the Haunted Mansion.
Yes, everybody loves the Haunted Mansion. So do you want to show them what we got?
Yeah, we got some Haunted Mansion dioramas. Here is the Seance Circle, it's called. And then we also have the attic scene.
So just a little background, if you're not familiar with the Haunted Mansion, it's a dark ride, right? Where you go on a doom buggy, which is an omni-mover ride vehicle. It's
like a continuous loop, and you just continue moving through that way.
Yeah, and you go through different scenes in a haunted mansion, and there's like a ballroom scene with like a birthday party and dancers. There's a seance scene where Madame Leota appears in a crystal ball, and she is having a seance trying to summon the spirits from beyond. And then there's a scene in the attic of the house where the bride, Constance, is up there with her axe.
Yes.
And all the portraits of her ex-husbands who all died in mysterious circumstances.
And I believe they all lost their heads, am I correct?
They all did lose their heads.
Yeah.
So, and then you go into a graveyard, and it's just a great ride. It's a classic Disney ride. So when I saw these, and they were on sale, so the retail price was $24.99. I believe I got them for $17.50, and it has 3 walls, floor, 5 frames, a string, and 2 string clips, and it measures 6 inches high by 6 inches deep. Okay.
So also one of the things that we kind of gotten into, there's lots and lots of merchandise at Disney. So we found, one of our trips, we found these little dioramas, these are more just kind of these new dioramas have scenes you can kind of make yourself. So we got one of Splash Mountain and of Haunted Mansion.
Yep.
So we thought that was kind of fun. Like I said, there's so many different items you can get into at Disney, so we thought these were kind of a little more unique.
Yeah, definitely unique. It's super easy to put together. It's just individual cards and they're all numbered. It's just a really unique, and if you have like a kid that you have to buy for, it's kind of a fun little project you can do together. So we like these a lot. So let's start. Which one are we starting with?
The Seance Circle.
All right, cool.
And so this comes with authentic accessories, include Madame Leota and crystal ball stand, chair with raven, spellbook on stand, side table, single candle displays, seance table, and rug.
Ooh, it has a rug too. How cool.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Ooh,
so
neat.
There's that.
All right.
Here are all the pieces, instructions, and more pieces. All right. So.
Look at the rug. It's an actual rug. I love that. Oh, it's really pretty too.
Yeah.
So here are the walls. I'm guessing this is the floor.
I think the rug's probably the floor. Or the rug goes into it.
Oh, the rug goes on the floor?
I don't know. Where does a rug usually go? Yeah. Anyway.
Okay, so here's what the walls look like. You've got the instruments, which you'll recognize from the seance scene in the Haunted Mansion.
Serpents and spiders, hail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rat on a table. time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
Different instruments, and then a floating table, cymbals. Okay, the famous tambourine. Ooh, so everything is packaged, and look how tiny they are. So tiny.
Cosmetic accessories are the Madame Leota and crystal ball, the crystal ball stand, chair with raven, spell book on stand, side table, single candle, candle displays ×2, seance table, and rug.
Okay, and then here are the walls and the floor.
Okay. Okay, so we have our seance table. So I probably should put the chair in first, right? Trying to be careful not to hit Madame Leota because this was kind of a harder than it looked task to get everything to hang right. But this is the great thing, is you can do whatever you want to do, make your own little parts of the scene, which is really cool. Oh, we forgot to put the rug in.
Oh, the rug!
The rug.
The most exciting part.
Ooh, it's like a real cloth and everything.
Yeah.
Whoops. So yeah, the instructions are correct. It's just a little harder than it appears to get everything going correctly.
Yeah.
And now I'm trying to be very delicate not to knock it over, because kind of once when the walls fall, they all kind of want to fall. So there we got that, and we have our spell book.
Yay.
And I forget what this table was, but we'll put a single candle on that.
Oh yeah.
And there you go.
Look at that, guys. That is really cool. It's the seance room. Todd, was that fun to put together?
Fun might be. We learned a lot about construction on this project. The getting the slats to hold the walls up were kind of more of a challenge. I mean, it is true the way you do it on the instructions, but just getting them just right so one wouldn't fall or the bottom wouldn't pop out. So luckily we had two people. I think if one person tried to do it, it might be even higher learning curve, might take you a while longer than it took us. You know, your pictogram picture of the instructions, that is how you do it, but a little harder than you think.
But it turned out really cool.
Yeah. We're
I
back.
am sweating after that. That was kind of stressful.
Yeah. So next we have our attic scene. So if you're familiar with the Haunted Mansion, there is a scene where it shows the bride, or what's her name, Candace?
Always calls her Candace. Constance.
And she had been married 5 times.
Wow.
And each husband has lost their heads. And she's become a fairly popular character. In the 2019 Not So Scary Halloween, she had her debut in the parade as kind of like on one of those motor scooters.
Okay. You're going off on a weird tangent.
A, B, and C.
Here's Candace. Now I'm calling her Candace. Constance. The bride herself. There she is. Oh, she doesn't have her axe though. That's interesting.
Oh, here, no, there's an X.
Very cool. So this is what should look like. It's got a bride, wedding cake and stand, hat stand with hats, axe, 6-piece tea set, lounge chair, wedding certificate, table with 3 hat boxes, table with 1 hat box, a hat box, a globe, a stack of books, chest, end table, and bird cage. Okay, so here's the scene. Now you get to decorate. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in this one. So it's an attic, so it's gonna kind of be messy, right? Where do they want the books? Oh, the books go under here. I'm just kind of feeling around. Oh, there's her axe. She's got her axe. All right. There you go. Haunted Mansion attic scene. So there it is all put together.
And then here you have the bride, wedding cake and stand, hat stand with hats, axe, 6-piece tea set, wedding certificate, table with 3 hat boxes.
Wait, where's the wedding certificate?
Is that the picture?
No.
That might be the picture.
Oh, it's upside down. Okay. Wait, that's not me.
No.
Who's your friend?
Trevor wanted to be part of the family.
Trevor likes dioramas, doesn't he?
Yeah.
All right.
So here we are now with all our completed dioramas, the 2 original ones we had, and then the 2 we just got, the seance scene and then the attic scene, both from Haunted Mansion. And here's your floating dog.
Oh, well, I am sweating. That was
Not stressful.
not as much fun as I thought it was going to be. It was a little stressful, but hey, we did it.
Yeah.
We worked together and we got it done. It was really just the walls. These plastic pieces don't hold on to the walls. It's not a snug fit. So as soon as you do one part and move on to the other part, the first part falls apart. So,
Learning curve.
I really like these, and what I probably will do is put some glue or Mod Podge in the seams to hold it together, and then we can just play around with it because it's kind of cool. I do really like these overall. I'm happy with them.
Yeah.
What do you think?
They're great.
It was your birthday present.
They're great, and they're lots of fun. Like you said, you can do kind of move everything around. It was a little frustrating putting them together, but learning curve. We learned a lot about ourselves.
Oh,
There
no.
goes falling apart already. So, yeah,
All right. Well, thank you for.
going on this adventure for sure.
Yeah, that was definitely an adventure. Well, if you enjoy this video, think about subscribing to our channel. We would love it if you would, and give this video a thumbs up. Have you ever tried to put one of these together, or have you ever done other dioramas? I really like the idea of being able to, like, that whole 3D look is really appealing to me. So, all right.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for joining us, and as always, stay adventurous. Bye.